Welcome back to DIYGaskets.com. Today we're going to be working on a 6-drawer true unit. It's one of those new style units that we were talking about, so it takes the newer gasket profile of 528. We're going to do a drawers. This is the profile. You can see it's all busted out here. Now the proper way to get these guys done is to go ahead and take the drawer completely out. So we removed any content. We'll go put it up here. Okay. As you can see here, this thing is completely just busted out. There's nothing left. So time to replace. Again, this is a TPP-93 D6. D6 meaning 6 drawers. So 6 drawers to this particular unit. You can install these while they're still in the unit, but I find it much easier to do it this way, easier on the back and so forth. But if you're in a hurry, you may do it the other way. Give a little spin here. Always be careful of these tracks. This is a pretty new unit, so the track is pretty solid, but the last thing you want to do is split that track. Another thing with these drawers that we're not doing today, but these rollers here, over time they tend to start wearing out, bending if it's overloaded. And also these tracks, they'll start to get warped out and things too, and that's another day, but we'll definitely do a video on that here. Not much pressure at all to get these in. This is why I feel doing it up on top of the deck or taking the unit completely out or the drawer completely out, a lot easier to work on. Get a nice solid mallet to it to make sure it gets in there. Set the roller on each side. After you've secured the roller in, you're going to push it. It's going to feel like you're forcing it, but you're really not. You're just kind of setting it in that way. That's about it. Nice tight seal, easy install. Drawer gaskets tend to be a lot quicker, easier to install, but like you see, you got to do 6 of them, so it takes a little bit more time.